Hope you're having an amazing day. Here we have the Kingston Fury DDR5 memory. This is the 32 gig 2x16 6000 MHz CL40, and taking a look at some of the specs here, we can also see the timings and everything else, and then looking at the test system we're using. Jumping into the benchmarks, we started off with XMP OFF on the 13900K, and we can see here the read, write, copy, and latency. So definitely latency is a little bit higher, but when we go ahead and turn on the XMP, we can definitely see an increase in read, write, copy, and lower latency, which is what you kind of want. So that's one thing. If you're getting the 6000 MHz, definitely go ahead and turn that XMP on. Pretty much we can see all the results on the IDA64 there, but also I just ran a benchmark on Farcry 6, and here are the results, just so you can see for yourself. Really hope you enjoyed this quick, straight to the point video. If you have any questions about this DDR5, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer it. I'll see you next time.